Alright, it's kind of rainy and crappy today. It's April 26th, and I thought I'd do a video quick on Truck 2. Truck 2 was the first truck that we had with an actual silage body on it. It had a 16-foot USA body, silage body on it. He ended up taking this box off last week, and the hoist is sitting here. The hoist is in good shape. It is a Omaha 128 hoist, and we've got this for sale along with the box. I had to redo the tailgate on this several years ago. This would make somebody a nice cheap silage body slash grain body. The hoist is got like a 20-ton capacity. It's a single acting Omaha 128. We bought this and had this put together back in like 93 or 94. So we're going to run up to the shop in a minute. We're going to walk around the truck. This here is truck 13. Jared rolled this over back in, it was like 3 or 4 years ago. We robbed one of the steering arms or something off of it. I can't remember what we used, something on truck 6. And we need to kind of clean this area up a little bit here. We got some scrap to deal with, and we ended up taking some drive axles off the other end. We got some beams here out of barn 1 that are no good anymore. We probably should just burn them, but we got a few more components that we can steal off this truck, and then we'll just have to take it to the scrap yard. So let's roll up to the shop and we'll talk about truck 2, 1984 L8000. Alright, you seen the silage box that was on this truck. This was an old Agway fuel oil delivery truck. It's a 1984 L8000 with a 3208 cat in it. This 3208 cat came out of a 79 F7000 truck that we had that we retired some time ago. This truck was somewhat rotted out when we bought it, and it just had slowly deteriorated here through the years. I think we've had it since about maybe 93, maybe 94, somewhere in there. It was the greatest thing going to an actual silage body coming from self-unloading wagons. We had a hell of a time with them self-unloading wagons the last couple of years that we used those. So this is going to be its last run around the farm here. About the only thing that's worth anything on this truck is that fuel tank right there, the 3 batteries that are in it. It's got a new air tank on it, or newer, and it's got 2 decent tires on this side. So the tires on the other side, they're a little wore out. Front tires are wore, and the engine is in decent shape. You're going to hear how that engine runs here in a little bit. This is a strong engine. This has never been touched. So this is a 1979 3208 V636. So we're going to roll this out of the shop here. We haven't yet decided what we're going to use off this truck. We might use the brake drums and the brake shoes and whatever on that project truck that Jared has. The 2-speed differential, 2-speed axle, that wasn't working. He got that to work. We might take the whole axle and everything out and put it in that other truck. We're not too sure yet, but we're going to be able to use the window out of the door on the other side if he so happens to want to use that other truck as it is. So we're going to roll this out of the shop here, and you can see the cab is, do that again. The cab is about ready to fall off the damn thing, so the doors were kind of pulling on it pretty good. What is that windshield? That windshield's in good shape.
No, it's cracked.
Oh, it does have a crack in it?
Yeah, I was going through the driveway and it was flexing and it cracked the windshield.
Oh. Cooling system might be decent in it too, so you can maybe use the radiator. So, well, let's go ahead and roll it out of the shop here and take it to its final destination. Well, that is the last run. We're going to cut this up. We got a hydraulic pump and reservoir for the hoist that we're going to take off. These tires that we were spinning on this side, they were shot already. And actually, it didn't even take much off of them, really. But these are the Firestone T831s. We were running these tires for quite a while. These are actually virgin tires with an open shoulder. When they're new, they've got quite a bit of tread on them. But remarkably, the frame is in good shape on this. It's just the cab is rotted out, and it's got a strong engine in it. I don't know if this engine's worth anything to anybody, but we are going to take this out and sell it. So you can drop me an email or something if you're interested in this. The fuel pedal is rotted off at the floor, so he was actually controlling the throttle with a cord. So he had a pull cord on the throttle. So she runs good, folks. If anybody's interested in it, it is a 1979 3208 with 175 horsepower.
Got a Spicer 5-speed in it too.
And it's got a Spicer 5-speed transmission. We haven't yet decided what we're going to do with the rear axle. We're going to at least have to take the brake drums and the brakes and whatever off of it. Outside of buying new drums and brakes for that other truck, but that's about all we plan on using off of this for that other truck. For what brakes cost, I mean, we might as well just put new ones on it. But got good Dayton wheels on it. The tires on the other side are good. So with that being said, folks, that is going to do it for this video. Thought we'd have a little bit of a fun time with this today. It's raining and it is Sunday, so we're gonna start chopping this up. So I want to thank you for watching. Hit the thumbs up, drop me a comment down below. We'll catch you at the next video.